50 wildflowers, and we have a few behind me here. We have the herb Robert, and we have a poppy.
Here we've found some columbine. It is poisonous, but it was once used to treat digestive problems and as a painkiller. It was also thought that carrying a posy of columbine would make people fall in love. So if you're looking for a lover, this is the flower for you.
We've also found the willow herb, dandelion and daisy. A lot of the flowers that we're finding in our area aren't in the book, such as these lovely foxgloves and buttercups.
This beautiful flower, which is often confused with the dandelion, is the autumn hawkbit, but also not in our wildflower book. We're a little early for the heather flowers, but this here is the plant.
Heather was once used to make a bedding for animals and bound together to make rope, brooms and thatch for roofs. This is one of our favourite wildflower fields that we know. It is always filled with cow parsley, buttercups and clover.
We've been shocked to find that one of our favourite flowers, the cuckoo flower, also isn't in the book.
This is a very common wildflower. If you know what it is, then please leave a message in the comments.
So we've come to the end of our wildflower adventure, and it's been great fun, hasn't it?
Yep. But we've found a lot of wildflowers. Most of them somehow weren't in the wildflower book.
But we still had great fun. And it doesn't matter if they're in a book or not. What we loved was just getting outside and looking for beautiful wildflowers. Did you have a favourite?
I don't know.
I think my favourite on this adventure was probably the clover.
That was a good one.
So thanks for stopping by at Weeby Kids.
Bye.
See you soon.